Does your company want to be seen on Facebook and acquire targeted followers and clients? Do you want to get the best possible return on your investment? Do you want to take advantage of the biggest trend on the internet today? In short terms, do you want to be seen as a cutting-edge, innovative company? The list is long with what you can do on Facebook, but make sure to act on the trend. Time is money. Custom-FacebookPages.com is part of the Gadoo Group. We are Facebook experts designing professional customized Facebook pages and implementing effective strategies for Facebook marketing. We have unique services offering innovative design, Facebook lead generation, Facebook advertising, and more. With its over 500 million users, a 67% growth over the last 12 months, Facebook has now passed Google as the most visited website in the world. The maximum growth of users are now 35 to 49 years old. 50% of all active users log in every day. Advertising costs are as low as $0.01 per click. Our product is powerful yet simple. Just like for domain names, you need to block your brand name on Facebook. We do that for you before someone else beats you to it. We build a Facebook page completely customized for your brand, using our innovative modules as a foundation, and then catching your unique style, color scheme, and dynamically loaded content from your website. Want to make your Facebook page different than your website? You're covered. We build a unique design that still reflects your brand. We believe that Facebook right now is the hottest marketing trend and technique for online marketing, and it gives our customers the best return on investment by far. Facebook is where your clients are spending their free time. They are there to socialize and find new interesting content and companies. They will like your page and connect to your marketing messages. If you are innovative, if you are sharing valuable information, if you are fun. No time to waste before you get started. Fill in the form on this page to get more information about how you can profit from your presence on Facebook.